Hey guys, today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys some Halloween DIY diffuser holders that I created with some Dollar Tree products. Last year, Bath & Body Works had a haunted house candle holder that they sold for $250, and some people are selling it on Poshmark and Mercari now this year for $200. And although I liked it and I love the details on it, I was not going to pay $250 or even $200 for this candle holder. And they also had a new one this year that they had like the same structure, but it was a different design, which was really pretty. I love the details on this one. It looks so gorgeous. But again, I'm not going to spend $250 on a candle holder. Then I saw Make It With Micah on Instagram. She recreated this same thing with a dollhouse from Dollar Tree, and I thought that I would do the same thing, but instead of using mine as a candle holder, I would use it to hold my diffuser. So for this first DIY, you're going to use this dollhouse from Dollar Tree that comes in the toy section. They do have two different styles, but just like I shared with you guys in my haunted house candle holder video before, this house is the perfect house to use for the Halloween ones because it looks a little bit more spooky than the other one. The other one I like to use it for the Christmas DIYs, which you guys will see soon on my channel. So for this DIY, you're going to use 4 of these houses, and you're going to use 2 of them completely, but then 2 of them you're going to remove the roof from it, which they come off real easily, and you're going to use those to be the sides of this this diffuser holder. You're also going to need to cut off those parts on the side of the house that are sticking out. Before I spray paint this house, I always pop the windows and doors out, and with this dollhouse it easily pops off, so that way I don't paint them, I have to repaint them. And the houses that you're going to use the side parts off, the 2 windows on the side, you're not going to need them because once you glue it together you're not going to be able to see those side windows. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep those 4 on hand, so in case I do another DIY I can use them. I don't want to waste them, so I keep them to the side for something else, because like I said, you're not going to see the side part of that once you put it together. And then I'm just going to pop off the rest of the windows and doors so that I can get ready to put this together and spray paint. And here I want to show you guys what windows and doors I removed so you guys can see. For the front, I removed all of them because I am going to be keeping them white and spray painting the ones that are green. But for the side of the houses, I'm going to keep the doors on them because I don't want to make it seem like it's all doors. I want it to make it seem like it's a wall. So this is going to get all spray painted one color. So that's why I'm keeping the doors on this one. And then for the back piece, I'm going to take that door off in the middle, that little green part, and use it for, I actually use that door for the DIY candle holder that I was telling you guys about, and then I'm going to spray paint that all black. And then I just attached all the pieces together using my hot glue gun. And here I wanted to share with you guys that when you do glue it together, there is going to be a gap, but don't worry about that. You can put some decorations on there to block it. And plus, once I spray painted all this black, you really can't notice anything. So I did want to let you guys know that if you do put it together and you have a gap, it's okay. It's easily fixed. You can cover it up. And here's how it should look when it's all glued together. It really has a good structure to it. Like I said, you can use this for like the candle holder like the originally was for, but I'm going to use it for my diffuser. And because I'm going to use it for my diffuser, that's why I'm going to remove the back door from the back part of this, because I want to use that section to have the cord go through for my diffuser. So that's why I'm removing the door. And this is the door that I used again for the candle holder that I shared with you guys, the mini candle holder that I shared with you guys in my previous video. So for the base of this DIY, you're going to need this glass cutting board, this square glass cutting board that you can get in the kitchen section at Dollar Tree. And I just attached the houses to it with my hot glue gun. I then spray painted everything a black matte spray paint. And for the last haunted house that I did that I shared with you guys, the candle holder one, I distressed the roof with some white paint. But for this one, I decided I was going to keep everything all black and then just add the windows back to it because I kind of just wanted an all black white look to it. So I didn't distress the roof or any part of this, but you can if you want to, but I think it looks good like this. Now for the decorations that I added to this haunted house, I wanted to use these skeletons, and what I did was I spray painted it white, a matte white, but I didn't spray paint it completely because I kind of wanted the beige and yellow to seep through so it really looks like a skeleton, but I did want that white look. And then I'm also going to use different items that I used to decorate the last haunted house, like the pumpkins, the bats, and the skulls that I used. I used the bat and skull rings from Dollar Tree, and then those pumpkins I got from Hobby Lobby. So I'm going to use a couple of those just to decorate this haunted house. I also used some of these foam skulls that I also got from Dollar Tree. So this is how originally I was going to leave it. I was going to just have it like this, but I wanted to add some ghosts to this one, just like I wanted to add some ghosts to my haunted house candle holders. But like I said before, I couldn't find any ghosts until last minute. I went to Dollar Tree and I found some of these ghosts, and these are some ghost candles. It was only one pack left, and so I scooped them up and I was like, you know what, I can cut them down to size and I can use them for this haunted house. That's why another reason why a lot of my DIY projects have been taking a long time to share with you guys, because like I told you guys in my last video, we've been having a lot of bad weather, so I haven't been able to spray paint like I want to. But also a lot of the materials that I needed from Dollar Tree and also from Hobby Lobby were not in my stores. I was getting everything late in my Dollar Tree stores, so that's why a lot of my Halloween DIYs were late for you guys too, because I had an idea and a vision of something and I couldn't find the materials that I wanted for it. So the last, like I told you, the candle holders, the haunted house candle holders, I wanted to add some ghosts in the window and to the side, but I couldn't find any. But luckily I was able to find these ghosts to be able to add it to this DIY. So here's how it looks on all the sides. I put on my little pumpkin Lazy Susan so I could share with you guys how it looks on every angle so you guys can see how the houses look on each side. And like I said, you can use this for a candle holder. That's what it originally was. The Bath and Body Works one is a candle holder. I'm making with Micah. She, you know, duped it for the candles, but I already made a candle holder for my fall candles, which I shared with you guys in my last video. If you haven't seen that video, I'll put the link down below so you guys can see it. But I needed something for my diffuser because I love to diffuse essential oils. It's such a great mood booster and it helps me with my anxiety. So I wanted something to, for my diffusers for my essential oils. I got this mini diffuser from Walmart, and the reason why I purchased this one is the diffusers I have at home already are too tall for this little dollhouse, and I didn't want it sticking out the top. And as you can see, this little mini one fits in perfectly that you can't see it from the front, so that's why I got it. And you can see right here, this is the back part. I told you I left it open so that I could put the cord in for the diffuser. So this diffuser is a fan diffuser, so it doesn't require any water, which is great. But if you wanted something to be smoky, then this is not the one, because since it doesn't require any water, it doesn't have any smoke effect to it, which is fine because this diffuser, I didn't need the smoke effect to it. The one that I'm going to share with you next, I need the smoke effect to it, but this one I don't. So it was fine that it didn't diffuse any smoke. Now the cord on this diffuser is really short, so you do need an extension cord. I got this one at Dollar Tree for $1.25, and also this diffuser changes color, so it gives this little like haunted house a spooky effect for Halloween, which I really like. So for the next Halloween diffuser idea, you're going to need one of these mini cauldrons. I got this cauldron from Dollar Tree a while back, and we're going to make a witch's brew with this cauldron and a diffuser. So some people that have made this before, they have drilled a hole in the back of their cauldron for the wire of the diffuser. I'm not going to do that because just in case I want to use this cauldron later on for something else, I didn't want to have like a hole inside it, the back of it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my diffuser in the middle of the cauldron and just have the wire draping over the back. And once we put the decorative mesh in it, which is going to make the bubbling witch's potion, it's going to cover the wire, and the other part of the wire is going to be against the wall, so nobody's going to see it. So that's just my idea of not having to drill a hole into my cauldron and still have it to not show the wire. But you're going to need this size diffuser in it. You're also going to need some decorative mesh. I found these at Walmart. You can use green or white or a combination of both. Some people use the green because it looks more like a witch's brew, but I decided that I'm just going to stick with the white because I have everything decorated white and black in my home with touches of orange, so I didn't want any green to just stand out. But you can use either or both, and you're going to just take pieces of the decorative mesh and twist it and stuff it into the cauldron and shape it around the diffuser, making sure that you leave the opening of the diffuser sticking out so that the steam can come out so it looks like an actual witch's potion, and just keep shaping it until it's the shape that you want. I decided to add some spider rings in it to give it more of like a witch's brew look. You can add, spider rings, you can add bats, you can add eyeballs, anything you want to, but sometimes I think less is more. And this is how mine turned out, and I love how that the diffuser also changes colors, so it makes it really look like a witch's potion, because with the changing of the colors it just looks like a bubbling witch's potion. So it doubles as a decorative decor that you made, but also you can have it as a holder for your diffuser and use it in your home, so it's a win-win. And that is it for today's video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned, I still have 2 more DIY videos for you guys, and I'm sorry that I'm giving it to you guys late in October, but again, the weather was bad here and I couldn't spray paint the things that I need to spray paint, and also Dollar Tree was really slow bringing my items that I needed to create these DIYs, especially the ghost DIYs I'm going to share with you guys. Dollar Tree was not having the things that I needed, so it was just a hassle. That's why I'm giving you these DIYs so late, but I'm going to try to give you my Christmas DIYs early this year, so stay tuned, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Hey guys, don't forget to click on the picture in the middle of the screen so you can subscribe to my channel and get notifications on all the new videos that I put out, and check out these other 2 videos that I have posted on my channel on either side of my picture. Have a great day.